Okay, welcome back. Here we are. Just coming into to land at Gibraltar. This is the view from the control tower. This is flight 200 of the Tornado GR4 World Tour, and we're landing in Gibraltar tonight. Wind is light and variable, 1010. And then I'm going over to Hesketh bar for a large gin and tonic, I think. See if we can get a zoom in on this aircraft. There it is. There's our Tornado. We've been all around the world in this Tornado so far. We have actually circumnavigated the entire globe, and we're off to Africa shortly. We're going to go all the way around Africa, the Middle East, India, and finish up at Kathmandu, I think, before heading back to Northern Europe. And then finally we're going to end up at Christmas, New Year's Eve, at RAF Wharton, which is in Lancashire, where the Tornado was built and serviced and what have you. Isn't that right, Bernie? Bernie Bamber? We're coming. You know we're going to make it. Anyway, here we are coming into land. This is all real time. Southern Spain is actually quite beautiful, especially getting near sunset, all the mountains over Cordoba. Really, really nice. And just zoom out a bit, let's see where we are. Here we are coming in. You can tell I'm a 172 pilot, can't you? By that landing. Brilliant. Right, I'm off to Hesketh. Wife's got a swordfish waiting for me. Thanks for watching.